Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariana. Today we're going to be making scrambled eggs. But I want you to pay attention to the pan because we have the size, the shape, the flatness. So that's why I want you to pay attention to our channel. So it's a new channel, so if I do mistakes, I'm going to ask my dad to fix those mistakes on his laptop. Now I want to talk about the pan again because it's very dangerous to have the pan over here because someone could make the pan go like that and it can fall on you. So that's very dangerous. So you can either have it on this side, at the top, or at this side. Now, we're going to take some butter. But before we use the butter, we can't take a very sharp knife. If you want to take a sharp knife, you have to have an adult supervision. But I'd recommend you shouldn't take a sharp knife to cut the butter. Now, if you want to heat the stove, you should always have an adult. Now wait for the butter to melt, and then when the butter has melted, take a spatula and just rub it a bit. Okay, make sure that the butter covers the whole surface. And also, make sure that you have a tiny bowl to put the eggshells. So let's get started by putting the eggs now. Okay, now you can see that I put softly the eggs. It doesn't matter if the shape doesn't cover the whole pan. It doesn't matter if the yellow kind of goes off because we're not going to cook the yellow. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all together, but let's wait for it to kind of cook a bit. Now that it's cooked, I want you to mix it all together in the pan. And mix it all together. Make sure nothing is left behind. And if you want, you can add cheese or anything you want to this eggs. I would recommend adding cheese. So that's what I would do. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the cheese. So you can see that they're cooking. You can add any cheese you want. Just don't cut the cheese. Don't take your time to cut the cheese. Just mush it like on top. And then take as much cheese as you want. Now, you can see that we're done adding the cheese. So now I want you to mix it with the cheese. So the cheese can melt at the top. Now we're going to add the salt and pepper. So move the spatula to the side. Add some salt. Add some pepper. And now if you want, you can mix it again. But I wouldn't mix it too much. And make sure your face is not close to the pan. Put an egg in the plate when it's ready. And here you go, guys. So here is what we made, eggs. So if you want to follow this video, you can. And we're going to be doing a lot of yummy stuff. So